Yeah, hello everyone. Bonjour. So today, let us look at the verb avoir, one of the most important verbs in French. The present tense is what? I have means j'ai. You have for familiar singular, person that you know, is going to be tu as. This one is j'ai. I have. Tu as. You have. Then for he has and she has, il a and elle a, il a and elle a, il a, elle a, he has, she has. Then we have is what? Nous avons. We have, nous avons. Then you have for familiar, for formal and singular and whole is going to be what? Vous avez. Vous avez. Can you see it? You have for formal, singular and whole. Vous avez. But don't forget, you are going to do a liaison here. You turned it to Z. You turned it to Z. So then they are for masculine, for males, than they are for feminine. It's going to be ils sont and elles sont. So here too you do liaison, and here you do liaison as well. Ils ont and elles ont. So try to study all these vocabularies as well. Le livre, book. L'appareil photo, caméra. Le CD, CD. La carte, map or card. Then la clé, that is key. Then la voiture, that is car. Then la radio, that is radio. Then oui, yes. And non is no. And a is and. So let us conjugate this verb again, once again. J'ai, I have, say it. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, il a, elle a. Then nous avons, we are going to turn this to Z. Nous avons. Then vous avez. Nous avons. Vous avez. Then ils ont. Elles ont. You are going to turn it to Z as well. So ils ont. Elles ont. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Au revoir.